numerical control machine parts, even if the appearance looks very delicate. It can also fail during assembly. Therefore, it is very important to inspect before shipping, before the parts leave the factory. We will evaluate adaptability, functionality, and consistency as important characteristics. In the video, we will show how we verify numerically controlled machined parts before delivery. The first step is visual inspection. Inspect the surface, finish, and appearance. No damage, pinch, scratch, depression, and other damaged parts. Not only does it have to function perfectly, the appearance should also demonstrate professional standards. The second step is dimensional accuracy inspection. We use different detection tools for different features. During dimensional inspection, we use vernier calipers and micrometers for holes and threads. We use gauges to determine whether its characteristics are correct. Can it be assembled? The third step, where tolerance requirements are higher or the part structure is more complex, we use a coordinate measuring machine to detect, to more accurately verify the size and position of features. The inspection doesn't end after the first part. We also conduct process inspections during the production process. This helps us maintain consistent key dimensions throughout the batch, and not just the size of individual sample parts. In our factory, quality is not just a word. It is our commitment from the first part to the final shipment. Quality control is integrated into the entire process. If you have numerical control, please feel free to send us your drawings for review.